Here are some secure lock settings that you can make use of, and this is after you have created your PIN or password for your lock screen security setup. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone with Android 14, and these settings are available for other Samsung phones with Android 14. After your password has been set up, now you can go back into the settings if you want to, then go down to where it says lock screen right here. And after that, you'll see the third option, secure lock settings. As you tap on that one time, you will have to put in your password. And of course, I have nothing to hide here. And then once you input your password, your PIN or pattern, you'll be taken to this section here. Now, there are some cool features here and some that you want to be careful with, and it's up to you to make that decision, but I'll explain to you how it works. So auto lock when screen turns off. This here now, when you go here now, basically set when the phone will lock after the screen turns off. So whether you know this or not, actually when your phone enters into the lock state, it doesn't always lock right away. There is sometimes a delay and it goes based on these seconds here. And you can try it out for yourself. Let your screen go into the lock screen mode on its own and simply double tap anywhere on your screen to wake up your phone, and it's gonna wake up without having to put in the password within this set time frame. So if you want it to lock immediately right after it enters into the lock screen mode, you want to switch it to immediately, okay? This means every time your phone enters into the lock screen mode, it's going to lock immediately. And it's up to you to come back here and make changes to these at any given time. A next cool one and very useful one is, let's just say someone's next to you and they want to get into your phone, and you want to make sure that when you press your power button, it actually enters into the lock screen mode. And this way, the only way they can get back into your phone is if they know your password. So lock instantly with the side button. So you're doing something here, someone comes next to you, they want to get into your phone and you try to stop them, you just press the power button here to lock it instantly. And then the only way they can get in is if you put in your password for them to enter. Okay, so that's a very useful feature and it's up to you if you want that. This one here is a bit on the scary side. However, I would also recommend you doing it if you are a person that every now and then leaves your phone someplace else or misplace your phone. And that feature is the auto factory reset. Okay, so if you want to turn it on, it's up to you. And basically what this happens is after whoever, let's just say someone finds your phone and they're going to keep trying to unlock your phone to get into your phone with every password they can possibly think of. The auto factory reset, if they have tried 20 times and failed, your phone is going to reset completely. Now, this is going to work against you, but at the same time, if you don't want them getting all your information, maybe you might never ever get a chance to get back your phone in time, and you don't want that person getting all your information on your phone, then you might want to turn this one on here, okay? So that's going to prevent them from accessing your stuff. It's going to factory reset your phone. You lose everything, but it's better to lose everything than they having that important information, especially if you have like all that credit card and personal data there. That's going to be a very useful feature, and it's up to you to decide that. Then we got this one here to lock network and security. Prevent Wi-Fi and data from being turned off. Once again, if your phone got stolen or lost and it's on at the time and the person has your phone and you set your phone to be tracked with the location, this is going to be very useful. This means that your phone will never turn off the Wi-Fi or anything until you get it back and unlock it and disable the Wi-Fi. So whoever has your phone won't be able to turn off the Wi-Fi because they will need the password to unlock your phone in order to turn this off, okay? So that's a pretty cool feature. And finally, show lockdown options. This is display a power button option that turns off extended unlock biometrics and all that stuff here on the lock screen. So if you want that, that's up to you. So pretty useful features. Some can work against you, but in the long run, it's gonna protect your information if your phone ever gets stolen. Okay, so like and sub.